Hi friends, hope you're doing good. Welcome. The jump rope you just saw now sounds very different to any other jump rope that I have used. I hope you agree with that statement. It not only sounds different, it feels different and it spins different. Come, let's go and talk in detail about this different but very simple jump rope today. I have with me a few jump ropes here for the purpose of comparison of this different jump rope. I have a PVC jump rope in my left hand and the jump rope of this video on my right hand. Let us give it a spin. I hope the camera catches the sound of the rope. Now for the PVC. It sounds different, it feels different. Let me bring it close to the camera. I hope you can see the difference. Let me also compare it with a heavy jump rope, a 10mm jump rope. And now a beaded jump rope. Well, this jump rope, as you saw, is thicker than the normal PVC jump rope of 5mm, but it is lighter, significantly lighter than a normal PVC jump rope. Basically, this rope is a fabric woven rope. When I say fabric, I think it is nylon or some other plastic fiber which has been interwoven to make a rope. That is why the diameter is more than a normal solid PVC jump rope, but significantly lighter. So this contrasting dimensions of a higher diameter and a lower weight makes it spin slower than a normal PVC jump rope. There's also one more reason for the slow spin of this fabric woven jump rope, and that is physics, specifically the concept of coefficient of drag. What is coefficient of drag? Coefficient of drag is a measure of the resistance of an object in a fluid environment. What is the object we are talking about? Of course, yes, the jump rope. And what is the fluid? You got it right, it is air. Because of its higher dimensions in terms of thicker diameter, lower weight, and the porous nature of the object, there's a lot of air resistance. That is why the rope spins slower compared to a solid PVC jump rope. And the correlation between the effort you put to spin and the spin you get is not so straightforward as a PVC jump rope. You actually need to put a little bit more effort to get the rope spinning at the same speed as a PVC jump rope. For example, if you take the case of a heavy jump rope, when you move from a heavy jump rope to a lighter jump rope like a PVC rope, you'll immediately notice that the PVC rope in your hands feels lighter than actually how light it is, and you're able to spin faster, spin smoother also. You would experience the same thing when you shift from a fabric woven jump rope like this, or some people call it a drag rope, to a solid PVC rope. The reason being, you are putting a little bit more effort to get this rope spinning. You put the same effort on a PVC rope, it spins faster. Overall, I feel this fabric woven rope or a drag rope brings similar benefits as that of a heavy rope. That's because you are putting in a little bit more effort to spin this rope, which means your heart rate goes up slightly more, which again means you burn slightly more calories, all of which are very good. So this is a different rope in my collection. I'm liking it. Early days only. I actually bought this on Amazon many months back. I just found it a few days back and I have been using it. And I kind of liked it, so that's why I thought I'll talk about it and share it with you. I went and checked on Amazon to see if the rope is available. The rope is not available, but it again is country specific. You can just look for a fabric woven jump rope on Amazon or any other online reseller or seller. You may be able to find one, and it doesn't cost much, so you can add it to your collection. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Do leave your question, comments, feedback. Feel free to leave all your comments. Positive, negative, critical, all are welcome. It's a pleasure to read and reply to your comments. Till I see you in the next video, enjoy your jumps. Take care. Bye-bye.